Today we're gonna see how to cancel money transfer on Western Union. Firstly, find your money transfer control number and note it down on and the sender's name, recipient's name, origin country, and payout country. If possible, have the original receipt or confirmation email. Prepare a valid ID. For in-person transfers, visit the location where you send the money, and for online transfers, go to Western Union website and find your country's customer service contact. Call them and provide the required details. Explain why you want to cancel the transfer. If fraud is involved, inform them immediately to secure a refund and follow any additional instructions given by the representative. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.